Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Teamgate CRM tutorial for beginners. Today, I will guide you through the features and functionalities of Teamgate, most intuitive and highly rated CRM tools for sales teams. The best thing about Teamgate is its free trial, which lets you explore its features before making any commitments. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily create tasks, monitor progress, and collaborate with your team in real time. Additionally, Teamgate helps you schedule and manage meetings efficiently, ensuring that you stay on top of all your sales activities. To begin, head over to teamgate.com and tap on Try for free. Teamgate offers a 14-day trial, no credit card required, so you can test out the platform without any obligations. If you find it is not the right fit for you, simply cancel before the trial ends. Once you create your account, you will be redirected to your dashboard, where you will see an overview of your sales pipeline. By default, Teamgate includes demo data to help you get familiar with the platform. If you'd like to start fresh, you can easily remove this by tapping on your profile name in the top right-hand corner and selecting Remove Demo. However, for now, I will leave it as is so we can explore the platform together. Creating and managing deals. The first step is to tap on View in the top left-hand corner. This action will allow you to initiate the process of creating a deal. From there, you'll be prompted to enter the necessary contact information, which includes adding a new person or associating the deal with an existing company. If the company doesn't already exist in the system, you can easily create a new one to keep all relevant data organized. Next, you can define the stage of the deal, whether it is in its early stages, currently being evaluated, actively moving through the pipeline, nearing closure, or already in progress. Additionally, you will have the opportunity to input key financial details such as the unit cost, total price, start date, estimated completion date, and any other relevant metrics to provide a clear overview of the deal's financial scope. Moreover, as mentioned earlier, the platform provides powerful tracking tools that allow you to monitor sales goals, assess ongoing projects, and gain insights into overall performance. Exploring advanced features and settings. In top navigation bar reveals a variety of features to help you manage your workflow efficiently. By tapping on dashboard, you can customize and organize it to suit your specific needs. This includes rearranging elements, selecting key metrics to display, and adjusting the layout for optimal visibility. If you want to add a new dashboard, simply tap on the plus sign and select from a range of available widgets in the right-hand column. Widgets allow you to track sales performance, monitor deal progress, and other essential business metrics. The second icon in the navigation bar is dedicated to lead management. Tapping on Create New lets you add a fresh lead, ensuring all relevant customer details are logged into the system. If you choose to open an existing demo lead, you will find a comprehensive overview of the customer's information conveniently displayed in the left-hand column. One particularly useful feature of Teamgate is its built-in calling functionality. This allows users to make calls directly through the platform, eliminating the need for third-party dialing apps. It also has a split screen, but only available on the paid plan. Navigating to the Companies section, you will see demo companies displayed. By selecting a company's name, you can view its details, including company information, upcoming meetings, and past meetings. To create a new company, tap on New and enter the necessary details. The People section allows you to add team members or prospects with whom you are trying to close deals. The Deals section provides a centralized space for monitoring ongoing deals and tracking their progress through different stages. This section also integrates with your calendar, giving you a complete overview of scheduled activities, upcoming meetings, and follow-up tasks. Navigating to the Products section gives you access to an organized list of products, making it easier to track inventory, associate products with deals, and manage pricing details. The Mail section allows seamless integration with your email account, enabling you to receive, send, and manage emails directly from Teamgate. Another tool is the workflow section, designed to help automate key processes and increase efficiency. To create a new workflow, tap on Create Workflow, enter a name, and save it. Once created, you can add triggers such as New Lead, which will automatically activate a set of predefined actions. For example, you can configure a workflow so that when a new lead is received, a meeting is automatically scheduled. In this case, you can set details such as the meeting title, location, and duration, and then tap Add to confirm. Additionally, workflows allow you to schedule calls, set tasks, and add notes. The File section serves as a centralized hub where you can access, manage, and organize all uploaded documents related to your deals, leads, and projects. This feature ensures that important files, such as contacts, proposals, and reports, are stored securely and easily. To return to the main dashboard, simply tap on Teamgate in the top left-hand corner. From there, you can navigate to different sections or customize your dashboard to display key insights and updates. For account settings and additional configurations, tap on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner and select Settings. In the left-hand column, scroll down to Smart Dialer, where you will find the Twilio integration. This integration allows you to connect your Twilio account, enabling advanced calling features such as call recording and real-time note-taking. These features can be particularly beneficial for sales teams as they allow for better call tracking, improved communication, and streamlined follow-ups. If you find Teamgate useful and want to continue using it beyond the trial period, you can explore their pricing plans. The standard plan is available, offering essential CRM tools and features. For businesses needing advanced functionalities, the premium plan, providing additional features such as automation, integrations, and enhanced reporting capabilities. The prices are listed. Choosing the right plan is crucial to maximizing the benefits of Teamgate's powerful sales and customer management features. By selecting the most suitable plan for your business needs, you can take full advantage of its advanced tools for lead tracking, pipeline management, and customer relationship optimization. A well-chosen plan enables seamless collaboration among team members, streamlined workflows, and enhances overall sales performance. With access to valuable insights, automation, and integrations with other essential business tools, you can improve efficiency and make data-driven decisions. Whether you are a small business looking for basic CRM functionality or a larger enterprise needing advanced analytics and automation, the right Teamgate plan ensures you get the most out of your investment, empowering your team to drive growth and customer satisfaction effectively. And that is all there is on Teamgate CRM tutorial for beginners. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. And hey, if you have some comments, questions, or feedback, please don't hesitate to put it in a comment section, and we are glad to help you. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.